Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Cash Building System Unlimited. And we're going to discuss what's included in your package when you receive your package. And not only that, I'm going to answer some of the most common questions. For those that don't know, this is a postcard mailing opportunity. And I've been actually involved in postcard mailing opportunities since 2016. It allowed me to earn a full-time income and leave my job forever. And some people want to know, does this work? And yes, it does, but you have to make sure that you are set up for success, that you leverage the opportunity. And we're going to talk about what that actually means and how to go about doing that. So this is my website. And the reason why I have a website is because even though this is an offline mailing opportunity, people still like to go online and see what the opportunity is all about and how they can get started. And not only that, they want to watch videos and get more information. So why not have a website in order to give them exactly what people are looking for? With this opportunity, you don't need any experience. You don't have to make any phone calls. You don't have to email, talk to strangers, explain the program. The website does that for you. Or they can get that information right from the postcard. There's no auto ship. The company sends everything out to the member once they make their payment. No computer is required, no internet connection. All you have to do is mail the postcards out and do that consistently. We're going to talk about what consistency looks like when you are mailing out your postcards. So this is the front of a postcard. It has a 24-hour recorded information line. Right here in the middle is where you would be putting the leads that you're going to get from the company. These are people who are interested in a work from home opportunity. When you sign up as a member through phase one, you are going to get 200 postcards and 200 leads. In the mail, you're going to also receive your ID number, and that information goes here. This is how the company knows who to pay. The ID number represents your name, your information, so that they know where the payments go to. And the company normally sends out payments once a week. Sometimes I have received payments multiple times a week, depending on how many postcards I'm sending out or how often I'm promoting the opportunity. Now, when people come in at the phase one, which is a one-time payment of $50, that's going to get you started and get your 200 leads, your 200 postcards. You're also going to get in the mail the information for you to upgrade. And it's going to basically say what you're going to get for upgrading, how long you have to upgrade in order to get what they have to offer, and what comes with that, how to make the payment. So basically what you get in mail is going to be the same thing here. It's going to be these different levels, including the $300 level, which is the bonus level. You're going to be able to pick any of those levels to upgrade. Now, with this website, you don't have to wait to upgrade. You can literally upgrade right away. These are the entry fees for you upgrading, and this is what you're going to receive when people come in at a particular level once you have upgraded to phase two. Remember, you cannot skip phase one, and phase one is only going to allow you to collect $25 from each person that joins. So what I like to tell people is $25 going to allow you to get out your job? Absolutely not. It takes a ton of people to come in to make a full-time income if they are paying just $25. That's why it's important to upgrade, because even if you came in at the $300 level, which is the bonus level, that's going to allow you to collect $150 payments. Now, if somebody came in or you had three people come in and they paid $300, that money can actually replace a job. But can $25 replace a job? No, this is simply an entry level phase that gets you started and get you the postcards and the leads that you need to get up and running. When you decide you want to make more money and you want to really take this serious and take your business to the next level, you want to come in at one of these levels for phase two, which is going to get you an additional 200 postcards and leads, depending on what level you come in at. If it's higher, you will get more postcards and leads in the mail, depending on the level that you choose. Okay. Here, this is where you would send the information to. This is directly to the company. When they receive your information by mail, they will proceed to send out your package, which you will receive within 7 business days. Now, you're going to also receive information in the mail in the event you want to purchase additional leads and postcards. They're going to give you the pricing for that. You're going to get information to be able to mail them a money order if you decide you want to get more leads in postcards. I recommend upgrading, but if you don't want to upgrade and you want to just purchase more leads and things like that, once you are a member, you can do so. They are very affordable. It's like $20 for like a couple hundred postcards. It's very reasonable what you can get in bulk when you decide to work with this company. You're going to also receive private offline marketing strategies that I'm going to give to all of the members. You're going to receive basically everything that you need in order for you to start mailing from the moment you receive your package. Now, if you decide that you want a website, the turnaround time for the website is 24 to 48 hours. You will need to have your ID. If you sign up with me, you can request for me to get the ID, and I will contact the owner to get your ID so that we can create your website. Now, on the website, there's also this area here where you can put your picture, your email, your name, and your social media account. If you decide you don't want this, that's fine. You can put your ID, your name, and just some contact information. It's really up to you. And then these fast action bonuses are here for everyone. So when you come in and you get the website, these bonuses will be on your website and people will be able to take advantage of these bonuses just from being a part of my downline. So we have offline marketing secrets, which is exclusive training that you're going to get. That's going to show you all of the things that you need to answer the questions. Like people want to know, do I need a PO box? Do I need, where can I get discounted stamps? Other ways to market. Some people want to know, can I get a different type of postcard or do you guys offer one? And all of that information is in our Facebook group where you can get the answers to those questions and know exactly what you need to do when you get started. Discounted postcard stamps, I talk about this a lot, where to go to get stamps. And this is important because you don't want to spend a lot of money on stamps. You want something that's affordable so that when you do your mailing, you don't feel like you're going broke purchasing postcard stamps. We have Inner Circle private Facebook group. This is where you get all of the videos that I have put together for the team. That's going to go over most common questions. And not only that, just help you to get set up and ready to start mailing. And then I also offer one-on-one coaching. If people have that desire to get more information on a one-on-one basis, that is available. And here we have a resource center. We have some resources for success. And then last but not least, those that come in at the $1,000 level or higher will get a training with me where I help people take their business to the next level. And this is really like all of my secrets and things that I've been doing for years that has helped me to accumulate thousands of dollars through postcard mailing. I tell people all the time, I don't just do postcard mailing, but this is the one way that allowed me to really start paying more attention to affiliate marketing and focusing on affiliate marketing full time. So here is where you can pay at phase one. As soon as you're done with phase one, you can move down here to phase two. And we have the $100, the $300, and the $500 level. And these are all a part of phase two. If you want to come in at any level higher than this, you need to contact me because I would like to speak to you directly, and I'll send you a link to get started at the higher levels. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this answered your questions about what you're going to receive. It's really self-explanatory, very straightforward. And the company is going to make sure you have everything, again, that you need in order for you to be successful and to get started. So thanks again, guys. Look forward to seeing you in the next video and have a great day.